Hello there, Osiria Wino here, your facilitator for the Digital Literacy Skills Training Program, which is going to run for a week. And in this week, we are going to cover from Introduction to Basic Computers, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and social media. So today we are looking at Introduction to Basic Computers. And we're going to, by the end of the day, we need to know what is a computer, types of a computer, components of a computer. We're also going to look at examples of digital communication in the workplace. Okay, so let's begin. Computers were created by a man known as Charles Babbage, and they were created to solve problems easily, whether it is in your home, in the working place, business place, or even health facilities and at school. They were created to help solve problems easily. So let's go to the definition. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that has got components that enable you to enter data, process it, and output result. A computer is an electronic machine that has got components that enable you to enter data. Then the computer will process the data and output result. A computer has got three major stages, which is the input stage, the processing stage, and the output stage. Input stage, this is where you enter data into the computer. The processing stage is where the computer will process the data, and then the output stage is where the computer will give you the result that you are looking for. Okay. Types of computers. We have got different types of computers, which include desktop computers, laptops, palmtops, tablets, and smartphones. Desktop, laptops, palmtops, tablets, and smartphones. Okay. Then we come to components of a computer. The computer is made up of two major components. We've got hardware components and software components. Under hardware components, or let me first of all define what hardware components are. Hardware components, these are parts of a computer that are touchable. Okay? And under hardware components, we have the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, and the CPU. We have the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, and the CPU. Okay. And then under hardware still, there is the input devices and the output devices. Input devices, these are hardware components that we use to enter data into the computer. And then output devices, these are devices that give us results. So examples of input devices, we've got the keyboard and the mouse. We've also got a peripheral, the microphone. Okay, let's move on. Output devices, we've got the monitor screen. It brings out results to us. We've also got the speaker. We've also got a peripheral, the printer. Okay. And then we said we've got two major components. We've talked about the hardware, parts of the computer that are touchable, right? Then now we come to the software components. Software components, these are a set of instructions that make the computer to work. Software components, these are set of instructions that make the computer to work. And under software, we have got two types. There is the system software and the application software. What is system software? System software, this is designed to operate on the computer hardware and manage its resources, e.g. Microsoft Windows. This is designed to operate on the computer hardware and manage its resources, e.g. Microsoft Windows. Then we move to application software. Application software are designed for a specific purpose. The application software is generally a program of a group of programs used by end users. Example, we've got Microsoft Word, we've got Game App, Facebook, and WhatsApp. And these are commonly known as an app. Okay, so how to start up and shut down a computer. Are you ready to know? Okay, so step number 1, check that the computer or the laptop is connected correctly to a computer source. Check that your computer is connected correctly to a power source. Step number 2, search for the power button and press and hold. Search for the power button, then press and hold. Step number 3, let go of the power button and wait for your laptop to start up. Have you done that on your laptops? Have you started your laptop? Is it on? So this is the power button here. Okay, when you find your power button, press and hold. Then step number 3, let go and wait for your laptop to start up. Okay, now that you have known how to start up a computer, we're also going to learn how to shut down a computer. And in shutting down, step number 1 is look for the Windows icon on the keyboard. The Windows icon is just next to the alternative key. Between the control and alternative key, you're going to see your Windows icon. So you click on it and it will be able to appear on the screen. When it is there, select the option Shutdown. Then wait for the laptop to automatically finish the shutdown process. Okay. Okay, so let's look at digital communication in the workplace. Remember, we are looking at digital skills. Now let's look at digital communication in the workplace. But before we do that, let's define what is digital communication. Digital communication is any type of communication that uses technology, okay? And the examples are emails, phone calls, and video conferencing. Emails, phone calls, and video conferencing. Okay, congratulations. Let's now set up an email address so that you'll be able to do your today's assignment, which is to send me a mail using your new email account.